Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the September the 1st, 2023. Here to talk about Rivian stock today and show you why this particular stock could be a must buy. We're going to look at the chart to determine if that's true. If it is, we'll drop a price prediction. If it's not, then we look for the market in Rivian to go lower, because there are other proponents who is trying to say opposite. Look at this article right here from Barron's. Rivian and 7 more clean energy stocks Citi says could drop even more. This article was produced on August the 30th, so 2 days ago. So Citi is looking for the price in Rivian to go down, but the chart doesn't look like it wants to do that. You guys can actually tell off my last price prediction to the market for Rivian, which was on the 20th of August. We were playing the weakest there, and the market only came to our first target area, which is great. I mean, we already understood that buyers could show up into the market in Rivian right there, and they did, because from that point, price, you guys can actually tell they lifted. So this currently is the area to which buyers are at. This area here is where the sellers are at. So I think you guys can get the gist of the ball field to where each player is positioned. Sellers are up here, buyers are down there. Congratulations to those who's able to grab 6.31% off the market in Rivian. That is what we do. We understand that the market doesn't hit all 3 targets every time, which is why we want to at least profit minimally when the market goes our direction. So now, we're now testing, Rivian is now testing this downtrend line. Do you think it's going to be successful in breaking to the upside, or do you think we're going to come back down and test $19? Let's look at Rivian real quick on the 2-day chart. The 2-day price bar here is fantastic. You cannot ask for anything more bullish than something like that, because it definitely tells us that the market was in control by the buyers. Here it is now, though. We're testing this downtrend line. So let's not become clueless and say, man, we're ready to shoot up to the moon, because that's not the case. We have this downtrend that we have to contend with. Well, the buyers do. They got to contend with the sellers position there. Look at this on the 3-day chart. Look at that 3-day price bar. So we definitely have momentum shifted on the buyer side. This is the buyer's market right now. They're currently trying to take out all the sellers on that downtrend line. Here it is on the 5-day chart. Take a look at that 5-day price bar there. Take a look at Rivian here on the weekly. We have 9 hours and 27 minutes left on this current weekly price bar. Look at this on the 2 weeks. Take a look at Rivian on the monthly chart. So the month of September is going to be real important, because this is a probable precursor of strength. So for the month of September, we need to see the price in Rivian close higher than August close. Because if it does, then it definitely reveals to us that the market is willing to continue to lift. Here it is on the 330-minute chart. So we may see price initially go down a Rivian. We already know why. The support area that we would like to see buyers is around $22. If the buyers hold $22, then that would definitely tell us that this market is preparing itself to break outside of this downtrend line. That's what it's preparing to do. So we have to see that. If it doesn't hold $22, I don't want to see the market fall no lower than $21.50. I'll even take 21 even. Okay, 21 even. So I do suspect that currently, looking at this on the 90-minute chart, the market definitely is bullish. We have to give the market ample opportunity to see how low it wants to go while it is enduring the selling at this downtrend line, though. Okay, so let me go and put this on the chart and we'll be through. Citi is saying that the market is due to go further to the downside, which it may be the case, but it just doesn't seem that way right now. Okay. Now, like I said, I don't want to see the market in Rivian fall no lower than $21. If it does, look where the next net is going to be. Right there around $20 to $19. Okay. So let me bring it down to 20. Now the first target in the market in Rivian is going to be around $23.75. That's 4.25% move there. Second target in Rivian would be right there around 25. 9.41. Then the third ultimate target would be here around 25.78, which is 13.42%. And that's it. while you're at it, hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel. You're not going to get this content anywhere else in a simplistic fashion. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.